Okay, grand early rising chic babes, fur babies, and my Lux babes, grand early rising, happy early Monday. So, I am coming to you with an early Amazon unboxing. Okay, y'all, I got some new shades. Let's see. So how y'all doing on this beautiful Monday? This beautiful Monday. Every day is beautiful. Okay, so here's the care bag. Let's open that up. Let's open it up. I believe I paid like $15 for these. And I am excited. I can't wait to put them on. And I got them in my favorite color. Okay, so this is okay, and it also comes with a cloth to keep your lens clean. Okay, and it's a nice size cloth too. It's a nice size cloth. Nice soft. Okay. And this is by Van Linker, VANLINKER. That's the brand. Okay, so you can find these on Amazon, and they have them in different colors. And I think I'm gonna get different colors. Yes, I am. Okay, and I just love that. This feels like suede. It feels like a little suede. Okay. Y'all look. Yes, I had to get these, y'all. I had to get them. And make it a part of my collection. Whatever style come in, I'm going to get it just to have it, you know. These the lip shades. These are lip sunglasses. You know, they have the bubble ones also. I'm going to get a pair of those. You know, just to add to my collection. Okay, let's see. You can easily. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, these are so cute, baby. Oh, yes, baby. I like them. These are so cute and chic. Ooh, mint and pink, baby. Oh, yes. I love them, y'all. I love them. I'm going to get these, but this pink is my signature color. Yeah. Y'all see them diamonds? Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Got my Rihanna on. And then I'm royalty. I wear diamonds. But yes, I love these, y'all. So yeah. Oh, cool. I love them. I'm gonna put it on me. Outside of my feet now. Oh yes, I love these. Y'all got to get y'all a pair. So y'all go on Amazon, okay, and get y'all a few pairs, y'all. Yes, I love these. These are so mean. I love them. And y'all know what? I have to remember to, when I'm not wearing my shades, to keep them in this care bag. Because sometimes I get into the habit, I'm driving around and stuff, and I just be taking my shades off and just throwing them in the little compartment. I gotta stop that. So, always keep your shades in the care bag, y'all. Oh, I love these. They have so many colors. They got at least 5 more colors, probably more than that. I know they have some blue. They have blue, black, white, I think they got some red too. Yes. Oh, I love these. I love them. Yes, baby. I love these. Okay, so y'all, tell me what y'all think. Do y'all have a pair of these lip shades? If you do, let me know what color you have. And send me a picture. Send me a picture, y'all. Y'all need to go ahead and do y'all video. Y'all need to do y'all video. You need to do y'all video. Oh, I just love these. And they really do fit me because they have that cat. They're similar. They style like my eyeglasses is because they have that cat action going. Go up like that. And that's just how my eyeglasses are. Yes. Okay, so y'all, thank y'all for tuning into this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I drop new videos. And be sure to shop our site, Chic Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.com, okay? And get yourself a nice t-shirt and get a nice t-shirt for your chick fur baby and some sunglasses. Yes, we got sunglasses for our chic fur babies and for ourselves on there. So do some shopping for yourself and your chick fur baby. And also fill out the contact form, okay? That way you will receive emails when I have new items, when I have new sale events, okay? And also check out our other store, Luxe Elite Nails, Hair, and Lashes, okay? And purchase yourself some nails, some lashes, and some hair. Yes, okay? And I have other products associated with those items as well, okay? And also fill out the contact form, okay? So you could be on my email list so I can tell you about the new events going on, okay? And the new items that I get in for you all. And follow me on Instagram at ja.cquelyn4. And follow Coco at Coco_Chanel Chic Fur Baby. Bye.